Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I realized I had a video in my draft sharing my D23 gold member gift unboxing that I never posted. I'm going to share that unboxing in today's video and also give you a tip on what to do if maybe you receive a mystery character that you didn't want and you want to switch it out for another one. I have a hack for that. And then just also give you some quick updates on things that are going on and some videos that are coming out soon. So let's get into the unboxing. This just in, I received a package from D23, which is my member gift for signing up as a D23 gold member. Let's unbox and check it out. So the first thing it came with is just a welcome letter and my D23 gold member card, which is awesome. Then let's take this out of the box. And inside is my D23 Magic Mystery. And this is a D23 gold member collector set for 2024. Each year they have different member gifts. Each of the Magic and Mystery box collector sets contains a Sorcerer Mickey figurine, a mystery figurine, 2 mystery pins, a deck of playing cards, and the membership card and certificate that I already shared. So let's open it up and see what we got. Here's what it looks inside. You can see here we have the Sorcerer Mickey box, we have the mystery character box, a deck of playing cards, and then the 2 collector pins are inside. It comes with a deck of D23 playing cards. Then let's check out what is in a little satchel. And the first pin is Yzma's Llama Potion from the Emperor's New Groove. Very cool. And it looks like we also got Miguel's guitar from Coco. Super cool. And then each set also comes with a Sorcerer Mickey figurine. So let's open this one up. Here is our Sorcerer Mickey. He's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be, but really cool, especially if you're into figurines and collectibles. But I love Sorcerer Mickey from Fantasia. And finally, the collector set also comes with a magical mystery character. Each box contains one of these 4 characters. Let's see which one we got. I'm fingers crossed it's Maleficent because she's one of my favorites, but I mean, any of these are really cool. Maleficent, Merlin, Madame Odie, and the Genie. And we got the Genie. So a super fun collector set. Thank you so much to D23 for sending these out to members. I am super excited to now be a D23 gold member. So I wasn't super thrilled that I received the Genie. I mean, He's a cool character, but I really wanted Maleficent, and that's the one that I had my eyes on. So I ended up finding a D23 buy-sell trade group on Facebook, which I'll link in the comments down below. And this is great if you know you're received a character that you don't want, or you want to trade it out for another one. You can see if someone's interested. Of course, there's always a risk with this because you don't know the person you're trading with or purchasing from, and you know, they may not send it. However, my experience was great. Big shout out to Scott in Oregon for trading the genie for Maleficent. So he sent this one to me and I sent him the genie one in return. Super easy, hassle-free process. And I'm really glad it worked out for both of us. We both got what we wanted. So it's definitely an option there if you're willing to take that risk in doing a trade with someone. And like I said, I'll pop that group in the comments below and you can check it out. Here is Maleficent. She's one of my all-time favorite Disney villains. So I'm super excited to have this one now instead of the genie. So awesome little collector's item from the D23 2024 member gift. So it's been a super busy last few months. I'm a little bit behind on my videos. I'm currently editing a video for Not Scary Farm, which I'm super excited to show you. Not Scary Farm was a lot of fun. I actually went twice this season, first on opening night and then another night as well. So I have footage from the second time I went, which included a hotel package stay, pre-scare dinner, early entry, all that good stuff. So I'm really excited to share that with you. And then just this past week, I went to my first Oogie Boogie Bash. It was fun. I went with some friends. It was all of our first time. So, you know, we didn't really know what to expect, but we ended up having a really good time. And I'm really excited to share that with you all as well. So be on the lookout for those two videos coming up real soon. So thank you for joining me in today's unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye.